Hey, to connect Realme Buds Air 6 with any iPhone or iPad, first of all you have to input both earbuds inside this charging case and keep that case open. Then you will have to locate this small button. Let me just get focused, there we go. Now we have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking white. There we go, now you can release. Still, keep that case open, put it close to your iPhone, and on your iPhone you will have to navigate to the settings, go for the Bluetooth, then click on the switcher, and now from available devices list select Realme Buds Air 6. So click on them once. Now just wait for this pairing, and as you can see we are successfully connected. Also, I can highly recommend you to open App Store and download Realme Link application. You can get it completely for free. So after downloading, you can just simply open it. Now you will have to accept every permission that is actually popping on your screen. Click that we got it, just accept every permission. There we go. Now we have to select the origin. So in my case, I'm in Poland and it's actually automatically selected. So click next, then accept another permissions and click that we got it. Now click to pair device, and now we have to actually sign in with account. So if you don't have account, you can create by clicking here. You have to click OK, and now you'll have to follow this on-screen instructions. In my case, I already got the account, so I can simply go back and sign in with OTP, but I don't want to do this with my phone. I want to actually do this with my email. Next, you will have to input your password, and when you input your password, click done. Then tap to sign in and accept another permissions. Click agree, there we go. And now we have to actually send the verification code into our mail, so click to get the code, and now you will actually receive on the mail this kind of the code from the Hey Tap application, and we have to actually input this code just right here, just to simply log in into this application. Then click OK, and now as you can see the Realme Buds Air 6 appears just right here, so you can just click on them once and you have to accept this statement of use and you will be successfully connected. But if for some reason you are not connected, you cannot find them, you can also click just right here on the plus and then search for them here, or manually go for the audio and select Realme Buds Air 6 from this list. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.